Today I will be showing you how to make tessellations using the slice method. First, you start with a square or any other shape that tessellates. That means it fits together with itself with no gaps, like a piece of graph paper in this case. Then you'll draw lines to indicate where you want your slices to be. Draw slices on two of your edges of your square. Then go ahead and cut out your tessellation slices so that you can begin moving your pieces and creating your tessellation. Make sure that you don't throw anything away and everything fits back together like a puzzle. For the first tessellation, you will move your pieces directly across, just like this, so that you have an interesting shape. When you create your shape, you'll look at it to see what it could be and use your imagination, and if you like that shape, then tape it in place and add your details. If not, then try again. For the next tessellation, instead of moving your pieces directly across, move them around in a rotation like this. This is what your tessellation looks like when your pieces are moved in a rotation. To me, it kind of looks like a bird. If I rotate the screen, you can see the bird image more easily. There's one more way that I can move my pieces. My third tessellation option is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to flip over these two pieces first. And then I will move my pieces directly across to the other side. And this is the shape that I get. I think I like the second shape the best, so I'm going to move my pieces back into that configuration. Once I've determined what shape that I want, I'll just need to tape those pieces in place and add my details, like this. Now I'm ready to begin my tessellation. I'll lay my template on my paper and begin tracing around it. Some artists like to line it up with the original corner, but it doesn't really matter where your first tessellation shape lands. After I trace around it, I need to turn my template until it fits with itself again, like this. I'll need to make sure that I get my templates to match as closely as they can before I trace around that edge. Go ahead and fill up your whole page with your tessellation shape so that there are no gaps and your shape fits together like a puzzle. The next step is to add detail so that it looks like the creature that you created. When you have this step done, the next step is to add color. And rather than coloring the whole thing in one color, choose at least two colors, contrasting colors, and alternate so that you have a pattern as you color it in. Here are some examples of tessellations that have been colored in using a pattern.